Hi guys, we're back for a whole nother video. Like I said, our crazy life. So last night I tried to clean the car, put music on the car turned on, and I don't have no battery. And I parked my car in the back. So that right there is kind of making it impossible for us to move it. But we got the guest star here, Jocelyn, helping. I'm here over there helping, and so Jashida. So we're about to finish moving the car out of the back. So let's go.
Vamos, a la una, a las dos, a las tres. Ok, estamos bravos. Ok, un momento. Vamos.
You can do it again.
It's gonna go. Puñeta. All right, hold on. Who said I gotta go to the gym for this bullshit?
Tired?
It's too cold for this shit, man. Come on, y'all. Let's get the booty.
All right. Nope. Put y'all right there. Okay. Wait. We're still in the same place as we were a couple minutes ago. I'm telling you, just our luck. I'm sorry about my messiness. My babies are cold. Oh my God. And Kaylani and DeAndre are off with some friends. So that's why we don't have them. That's why they're not here. I think if they were here, this would have been done by now, at least with D. We fell. My bad, you guys. Okay, guys, well, we'll be back with a whole new video. Bye.
A little Mickey Mouse.
Is he still there?
No, he went to the neighbor's house. He went to go get food over there now.
This girl. Oh my God. I should know what happened. What's going on? Talk to our future fans.
Huh?
Speak to our future fans.
To our future friends, okay?
Listen, when we make it big,
I'm wearing some yachts on my feet full of mud. It's fucking freezing out here. This bitch decides to park her car
backwards or in face forward.
face forward
Never again will I do that.
over the tree stump. Then she wants to play music. Bitch, you got a chicken bone or something in your life. Creatures be having feasts and shit on your car. Oh my.
I just don't know where to put it. Like, I tried here and she fell. I wish that this was like.
I wish one of our friends was in York, PA, so they could come help me push us.
I think I'm taking screenshots of the video. Oh my God. Okay, my bad, people. I'm just.
Let's go then.
My baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, oh, trust me, it's blowing. The car will rock.
When the wind stops,
The car will be over the
will
tree.
go over.
Never, nunca fue así. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. You want to cry? It's okay, so do I.
Let's see if my butt is powerful.
Listen, this is going on YouTube.
I'm working on my legs at least. I'm gonna make my booty stronger and perkier. This is good exercise for the booty.
Okay. Hi guys, and we're back. So Angel and Joseph are back there, but you really can't see them, and we're in my car. Now it's a middle of a snowstorm. Oh, now they're being seen. They're my boys. Anyways, so we are in the middle. Excuse my hair. We are in the middle of, I guess, a snowstorm that's starting here in York, PA, or well, York, but we're on our way to Lebanon. I know, I'm a mess. Anyways, we are on our way to Lebanon to go get another surprise guest later today, Eric, which is my best friend, and they're. And like I said, this is the stuff you'll see on our channel. Guys, stop. Okay, so let's start over again. Hi guys, so we are on our way to Lebanon to go get my best friend Eric. He stayed up here last night after we had a crazy night. But like I said, we are in the middle of a storm. So yeah. And and as you guys can see, my car was fixed. We got it over the hi.
Hello.
These are my boys. We got the car fixed after it after we got it over the tree and everything, and my mom came over and my stepdad came over to help with the car. Even the boys helped, as you guys saw, and it was nothing. The battery was dead. And then my stepdad bought me a battery, and then when we went to go get the battery out of my car and put it into, get the old battery out to put the new battery in, there was a big ass screw, and it was just a mess. And we did all this in the middle of this like storm, and well, this
Pushing the car.
Yeah, you pushed the car, didn't you?
It's like forever.
It almost took like an hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Yeah. But yeah, so like I say, these are the types of videos you guys will be receiving, our crazy selves doing crazy things. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for spending the time that you guys spend watching us. Have a great night. Say good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.